Welcome to Traveling While Black.
Hey, what's up? I'm Anthony. This is my wife, Marley, and welcome to another episode of Traveling While Black.
Yes, welcome back, everyone. As a brief reminder, our show is based on our experiences traveling, and we base those experiences off of how good of a drive it was, how much fun we had, and most importantly, how comfortable do we feel as Black people visiting for the first time. So we were really excited for this week's episode because it gets us to explore an annual event that celebrates BIPOC people going outdoors, and that event is Refuge Fest.
Yep, and even though this year's Refuge Fest is already passed, we still wanted to check it out. So to show you beautiful people what to expect when you choose to go to next year's event.
Yes, so as always, take a look at the episode
and let us know what you think. Launched in 2018 as the brainchild of Chevon Powell, Refuge Outdoor Festival, also known as Refuge Fest, is a 3-day outdoor recreation and camping experience geared toward BIPOC and allied outdoor enthusiasts of all levels of experience.
For this episode, we attended the 6th annual festival to see why the event is considered by many to be among the best of outdoor festivals. Drive grade. The event takes place at Tolt-MacDonald Park and Campground, which is located in Carnation, Washington, which coming from Seattle was just under a 40-minute drive on the day of our trip.
The drive is not a hard one at all. We took I-90 most of the way, then the Preston Falls City exit to hop on Washington 202 East, and finally onto Washington 203 North to the campground.
Although the views didn't pop out, they weren't too bad, and traffic was pretty much non-existent.
But since the parking was free, for the drive grade, we'll go ahead and give a 4 out of 5. Level of fun. Refuge Fest sounds like a really dope event on paper, and as you will see, it is even better than advertised when attending.
First, it's important to note that you must purchase a pass for the event. Overall pricing can vary based on single or multi-day passes and also lodging add-ons.
Lodging add-ons is a really cool feature that is offered. See, if you are staying overnight and have your own tent or RV, cool. But for individuals that don't have their own tent or other needed camping gear,
like us,
the event comes to the rescue by offering gear to borrow. Or even better for some, choosing a preset up option like the REI preset 2-person camp. Or if you really want to do it big, you can get a yurt.
We chose the REI preset 2-person camp option, which came with a tent, 2 cots with inflated mattresses, a table with a solar-powered light, and 2 outside chairs. The setup was perfect for us.
Part of Refuge Fest's goal is to make camping and experiencing the outdoors more accessible for everyone. And this is a perfect example of how they go about achieving that goal.
On top of enjoying outdoor activities like hiking and swimming on your own, participants can download the Sketch app to see the times and days of more than 20 recreation workshops and activities for all levels of outdoor enthusiasts.
Recreation workshops like the one we attended on fishing, sponsored by the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife. During the workshop, we learned how to line a fishing pole, cast a line, and even received other fishing tips. We even got to keep our fishing poles.
One of the really cool and relaxing activities we took part in was observing nature through a water painting activity, during which we were taught some water painting techniques, then sent out to paint what we saw in nature. I think it might be our new hobby.
Refuge Fest also offers a variety of entertainment options, such as musical performances, art exhibitions, and one of our favorites, the silent disco.
At the Outpost, tent participants can buy supplies and even merch. But if looking for more variety, they can also enjoy the outdoor vendor market, which brings in local BIPOC vendors, as well as informational booths on a variety of outdoor topics.
Yes, the 3-day event offers a lot of options for fun, all built around getting out and experiencing the outdoors. We definitely enjoyed our time.
Yes, we did, and we will be back next year. If you're interested in joining us and attending next year, be sure to follow Golden Bricks Events for the announcement of next year's dates.
As for our level of fun grade, based on this year's experience, we give a 5 out of 5.
Comfortability for Black people. So it's not a surprise that an event focused on community building, aimed at expanding participation and access to the great outdoors by and for Black, Indigenous, people of color, and their allies would score high on the comfort grade.
You know what we always say, nature loves Black people. But for this experience, it was nice to be in and enjoy nature around other Black and all-around diverse peoples that also love nature back just as much. It was awesome.
Thanks to the many sponsors and, of course, the creator of Refuge Fest, Chevon Powell, for creating the space to have this experience. We can't wait for next year.
And we definitely recommend you joining us and attending next year's event. For Refuge Fest, we give a 5 out of 5 for comfortability for Black people. We hope you found this episode to be helpful and entertaining. Be sure to check out our previous episodes.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on all of our social media platforms.
Until next time, beautiful people, stay up, stay true, and do you.